Hi guys, welcome to TFA Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutenderera pasocial media. Gringo achinyomba ED na Chamisa nemapati avo achidedzera kuti Uebert Angels aritori neana ari kunza mari muZimbabwe. Ko imi muri kuita sei? See full video.
Mayuna undu tapa life baba. Mbo relax. Anzuda noise. Pa duze nini. Wondo maiuna, wondo muZimbabwe, wondo maiuna, wondo muZimbabwe. Vamwe ndokubudira kumoza, vamwe ndokutorwa neshumba. Ndazara ndegande, mai ndazara ndegandega. Right. Mira my numbers zenyu asikundifadza. Hayo my numbers zenyu asikundifadza. Dedza ngona live yadoita nasi. Live yadoita nasi. It's a different life. We don't want to talk about all of that nonsense. It's not bad what is happening. Straight to the point. Gold Mafia. Nothing else. And you know me. I'm the president. Speaker of the truth. Welcome to my life. Thank you for joining my life. Speaker of the truth. If somebody can just write the comment on the comment section there, write it there, and I'll pin it. Gold Mafia. Straight to the point. There is no time to waste. We need to talk about the Gold Mafia. I know there are still episodes coming, and this is the part 1 of the Gold Mafia. From the ghetto fabulous. Because we are the ghetto people. We are the ghetto people. But we use analysis. I want to tell you something. There are things that are very, very important that you need to really look at when you're looking at the Gold Mafia. But me, I'm going to touch on certain individuals. Something. There's one thing that I want to tell you. One, apana munhu weMDC akambonipa mari kunzi gringo ita unodya ndoshanda zve. Plus I'm rich and famous. I'm very famous. I'm very famous in fame yakanditera. 1, 2, Aguna food, there is no ZANU-PF person that can come there and stand and say, no, Gringo, we have given him money. No, never. I don't. And accept your marriage one. If you accept people's money, you deviate from the truth. The truth shall set you free. You know, knowing the truth and not tell it, it's a sin. It's a sin. So me, I will tell you as it is. Asana podkamari kana uchaze une mwana wa president kana kuti kune mnyina wacho kana kunani ukuzanpeva akamboya kati gringo omari hapana. Don't accept people's money. I work for my money. My family is well taken care of. Look at me, the skin inokudza yega, skin in my grapes. Look at my teeth, bro. This is like properly washed teeth, my guy, and I'm living large. You can even see kanokatonega makete nichachanto kudzeka dakablazi garona my good life. Ina ndisada something na anyone. So I will go straight to the point. The Gold Mafia. But I have 5 points. I'm going to be doing 5 lives. 5 lives. 5 lives. From these 5 lives, mujana to scrutinize everything. But I want you to note some very, very important things. Uebert Angel. That's the first one that we will touch. Then after Uebert Angel, then we'll go to Henrietta Rushwaya. Henrietta Rushwaya, at the moment, she's the only woman right now. I really want to give it to her on this one, especially on this one. From all the women that we have had in Zimbabwe, most of them, it's usually about, aita magaro, aita disi, apimpa kumeso, akapfeka dress rakanaka, ane bikini begi, akazodai so, makeup yake, akanoitwa BBO kuteki, akanoedzerwa magaro akatenga mazamu nenzara. Izvi guys, zvese zvakaitika vakadzi vemuZimbabwe. But Henrietta, she's one of those. Atrendera mabillion. I really want you kuti munatsonzwisisa kuti akaipa mukadzi uyu. Ndoda kuti mungonzwisa mukadzi ane mabhora kupfuura mumwe varume uyu. Mukadzi ane mabhora kupfuura hobho varume uyu. You can say whatever you want to say at the moment. Rushkwaya, I or Rushkwaya and Nyeba guys. Rushkwaya is all right there on the top. She has done it. I really want to commend you on that one, especially when it came. I in the Mafia. The small scale miners of Zimbabwe last year, they brought in about 1 billion worth of gold, and it was sold to Fidelity. This is the small scale miners, which is led by Henrietta. But and slow tangana Henrietta, I don't want to tangana papa. Monas net kapana prophet. I want you to understand one thing. For Uebert Angel to get access to ED, for Uebert Angel to come to Zimbabwe and get the position that was given to him, first, I want you to note the most important things. You're all running around. Fire the guy, fire the guy, fire the guy. You fire the guy, then what? You fire Uebert Angel, then what? You fired from what? First thing, Uebert Angel was not sworn in as an ambassador like any other ambassador. Go and check your records right now. You people, you just go around and you talk things. You don't go and do your research. Even chimfana chake chakauya nombira pamberi pawo chikagwawata chimurungu chiye chibalanzo futi chizungayo. You did not even tell you this. I will tell you right now. Do you know that guy, he has a British passport, the red one, not the blue one, not the passport that is given to immigrants. Uebert Angel has that British passport. That means he is a British citizen. Naturally, he is a British citizen. Being a British citizen, you can get in and out of almost every country in the world. And not this. People won't even be asking a lot of questions because of the weight of the passport that is holding. If you give him a diplomatic passport, Uebert Angel has to get a visa to access certain countries because now he is coming from Zimbabwe. He needs to have a visa. Whether you are a diplomat or not, you need to have a visa. If you're coming from Zimbabwe and you are going to Dubai and you have a diplomatic Zimbabwean passport, you need to have a visa. That only that makes him, it's an inconvenience to him. He might choose to use the English passport. That does not even ask for, he can go anywhere. Somebody is telling me, I not do your research. I will tell you, the British passport, red, blue, whatever happens on the passport, please understand this. This does not, you can go and tell tell Uebert Angel that you are fired from a position that was not officially sworn in. Then what? What happens after that? You go and tell the guy, no. We are firing this guy. He's no longer a diplomat. He's not even an ambassador. He's not even an official ambassador. He was not sworn in by all the, like, go and check all the ambassadors that we have in Zimbabwe right now. They were sworn in as ambassador properly. That guy was not sworn in like that. They say that he is an ambassador at large. Right? This position, if you strip him of that position right now, do you know that it does not do anything to the guy? That guy is not, he won't even be affected. Uebert is not your normal chiriri, your passion javas, and a tifred, kablazaga ama levels zaga. These wambos wakupi wewe any profita Zimbabwe right now explain ndakambo ndikenchida kuti mupinze billion mimi munyika chichichi muyene billion muyena ro Zimbabwe billion b iwe b uri kumfakos Joshua uri kuenda pamberi pawo kunodza vanhu kuti Uebert no kablazi kai kakuti bila mali iwewe manje uri kubirwa. Listen to me. If you fire that guy, if we push for that guy to be fired, I don't think it would do anything to him. The guy is not even on a Zimbabwe salary. He benefits from the deals that he negotiates for Zimbabwe. And it Kablas guy need to approach Kablas guy with proper intelligence. Proper intelligence. Because if you understand the structure of money laundering means we are cleaning someone's money that is dirty. Alright, saka isusu seZimbabwe isusu tiri kucleana mari dzevanhu dzauya mari yatisina yobva yacleanwa yosara muZimbabwe ichicirculate tobuditsa gold roenda riri gold. Gold redu kana tinaro isusu rakanakirei ringori gold handitoda mari. But our question is, maunza mari, what is the money doing to us? What is the money doing to an individual who is in Zimbabwe? But I'll go back. We have had issues whereby people couldn't afford groceries. There was no money in circulation. A lot of money was just going out, and a lot of things was just going around Zimbabwe. And then dispensation. New dispensation do yazounzana na Uebert. Madila inina ndiwanzofarira zvangu kuda kupinza zvichiprofita nekudini ndaini nangu andiunyeba Uebert stambo ndiprofita plus andisandambomona ina andisandamboti ndombomona futi anyway plus yoga ndoda kuti mumu approach with caution. This goes ini ndorova kunzungude kunyimo tikarowa vezanu tunonorova futi veMDC torova futi CCC ndoda kurova kunzungude kunyimo naye vanhu veMDC CCC kunyanya CCC tisataenda kuna aka kablaza aka kamonzora aka kanonsenza tuda kunangana Chamisa opposition party. Why haven't we heard anything from you all along? Since when has the CCC wants to help ZANU-PF? Because advising ZANU-PF to fire Uebert Angel, because Uebert Angel is a rotten tomato in the government of ED, is helping ZANU-PF. Why is it now we want to advise ZANU-PF to go and fire the guy? If he's a rotten tomato, we want ZANU-PF to be rotten because you are in opposition. Since when have you said no, let's advise ZANU-PF to fire Uebert Angel? These are important factors, guys. And these are important factors. I don't want you to go, Mama, no. Let's God Mafia. Understand what exactly this means. If money is being laundered and Zimbabwe is being used, are we benefiting from that? If Uebert Angel is telling people that you bring 10 million, 5 million stays in Zimbabwe, and it goes into circulation, to me, of course, it's a deal being handled. He's a hustler. He's hustling and he's hustling for Zimbabwe. I mean, the guy is trying. I don't like the guy. I honestly don't like the guy. I think Uebert ina nakiro naye. But apa nsukuna zonzwisisa engo yedu apa yekuti ko kakadzingwa kablazaga. Then what? Kuchauya mumwe futi achaiswa panzvimbo obva atanga kuita the same thing obva aba. But guys, let's understand this. Let's understand what we want these people to do for us. Let's give them exactly what we want them to do for us. And we need to put every, I know I might be wrong somewhere, somehow, but let's help each other to put the facts that we want to give out there after the Gold Mafia thing. And Gold Mafia has 4 episodes. There are only 4. There are only 2 that have came out now. So you need to be able to comment exactly on the two and wait for the other two that are coming. Having people representing Zimbabwe out there telling everyone that no, you can come into the country. You can come into the country. But remember, this is not on an official capacity. The guy is not an ambassador official. If he is an ambassador, he needs to get paid. He needs to have he needs to be ordained. What ambassador antano kepka ambassador Zimbabwe. On ambassador Zimbabwe on an official capacity. And Kablaza idia ngomo announce parali so akati Kablaza kaka ambassador takazokadzidzisa diplomatic. Kablaza is not a diplomat. But can English passport? Take note. He can still come to Zimbabwe, take money, take gold out using his own British passport. Muka visa muka taura da no ka visa is diplomatic. Hazikubatsira in a way. Be specific with the things that you're asking for. Be specific with the things that you're asking for. Kahasla. Yezo kakazochaja kuti antu kakabudanza no. Wafana patira 200 kuti vaone mkuru wenyika. If it was me, if it was me, honestly, I would have charged more. I would have charged more. Say, okay, no, let's do this. But guys, we need to help people understand what is happening. People are stealing from Zimbabwe, and people are looting from Zimbabwe. But there are certain issues that we need to be properly understand. These issues, like an issue yekuti munaitwa diplomat wenyika arikuenda nza mabhega akasechwe zvinenge zvichibuda pazvima documentaries zvese. On which capacity? Kablazi keke ndakazoganzwa nezuro ka assistant ka Uebert kakuti no imimi makatouya ku Zimbabwe tinotokupai motorcade and all of that. Uebert is not in an official capacity. He does not get paid to be an ambassador in Zimbabwe. He does not receive a salary. He uses those deals. If you tell somebody, no, come, I just condemn the fact that you know that these people wants to bring money into the country to offer hotel. No, we could have offered them a hospital. But still, even if it's a hotel, it's coming into our country. Some people are going to get jobs. But anyway, it's a story for another day. Let's focus on the 2 episodes that came out. Do you know that after the call, Nyaya exactly said that you can buy gold from Fidelity? From my own point, I'm going to gold Fidelity. These people that you want to fight, you must also understand these people are intelligent. These people are very, very intelligent. You don't just go and start negotiating billions. You don't just go and negotiate billions from people. You have to be very, very intelligent. If you go and strip Uebert of these things, guys, the documentary that came out, it's a documentary that we need to go and give to kuna idoti mdara vanhu venyu makaisa panzvimbo vari kudai. It will simply answer you. Money is coming into the country. What are you going to say? You will go and say, no, we are under sanctions. We can't sell gold. These people cannot have gold. Because in Zimbabwe, everyone can sell gold. In Zimbabwe right now, if you can wanna gold kuseri komshawa wako kachera ukawana gold, unokwanisa kuenda unotengesa gold rako ku Fidelity. Zimbabwe, is the only country right now, probably, I haven't properly done a research there, but Zimbabwe is the only country right now that has given every citizen a chance to benefit from those natural resources. Although they are big people, chandinongochema nevanhu ava ndechekuti koinda muri kudya mega kane payoka apana vari kumalokesheni uko zvimaopportunity zvenyu izvizvi hezvo apana wangoshanda paairport rimwe zungairwa rinoshanda kufidelity ropiwa 3000 US rimwe riri kupiwa 60 kongwaraika isi tikuda wapfana kuti wapfana wedu mawatoro moisawo panzvimbo mukabvawo uko kwamabvawo uko motoro kuti aiwa nyika masmall scale miners ahenrieta akaunza 1 billion its fine muomberere maoko henrieta aunza 1 billion ko vapfana vadika vasina mukana yekunowana goridhe rachona hinda musiri kuvapawo mukana wekuti vakwanisewo kutengesawo vawanewo something hinda muri kungodya mega ana wiki no watenga 2 maRolls Royce shwa 2 here ka 1 maRolls Royce uyiwa nawo munyika vamwe vari kuti aiwa uya ine mari ndo apa ndodomboenda kuside kwa Uebert apa aiwa apa ndomboenda kuside kwa Uebert ari kuti uya ine 1 billion anditi mane 1 billion munyika wiki no vari kuti uya ine maRolls Royce 2 maRolls Royce imwe ndeye 600,000 imwe ndeye 400. We are in my Rolls Royce. I mean, honestly, guys, honestly, this country has no. We need young people that are a little bit vibrant. We need young people that can actually analyze things and look at things. I've seen the reports of how the small scale miners sold gold. Their report last year they made sales of about $1 billion. Of 1 billion worth of gold that was brought in by small scale miners. Remember, small scale miners no makorokoza yedu. And the reason why Angel akafonera Henrietta is because Henrietta na Angel hustlers. Team rakaipa iri inanga ndikunyeba mana I envy those people. As much as we want to say, no, hey, my God, Mafia, hey, fire them, do you know that small scale miners are Henrietta, you don't need a license, you can go on a goridhe rako seri komushaka kwako unoenda unotengesa ku manya unotengesa ku Fidelity will still buy your gold. And it. So for us to be honest, guys, we need to look at this gold mafia thing properly. As much as they are making money out of this, they are also doing a little bit for us, but we don't want a little bit. We don't want to go to mkaita shows yenyu sekore yenyu lega ndo rinenge ringori ne team rine bag makapfeka ma Louis Vuitton sekore yenyu chete tikataza sekore yenyu rina 5 ana Philip Changwa chichi the what momira paper iringori rina 5 sheko mari kana vapfana vadyewa tito something anditi share ukamari yacho manje mukaita madhire ma 300 million maita dhire 300 million yacho na what are you doing for this for a mere individual who's in mfakozi right now asina magetsi hana magetsi munhu wacho ari kunza akaunze magetsi ari kuya nema Rolls Royce enotenga masolo ko uye uzoisa ari kuya nema Rolls Royce. So guys, as next makatayo ngakuva kwembudzi roundabout iri kuvakwa, how many small companies that you have given that opportunity to say, oh no, ma small companies ngauya akure osora apa, ma small companies ngauya avakiwa apa, ma small construction companies evanhu vari munzvimbo iyoyo iri kuvakwa that big construction. You don't go and bring people from Blawayo to come and work Parabambudzi roundabout. What about people who are staying around there? You have chased them away. Mapkanya msika yavo, matinga wa vepapo. Then what? Let people benefit. Kana masvingo road iri kuvakwa ichipinda ichienda yakadai so yakanangana nekuenda chinopinda mumasvingo yonobuda yopinda mungundu. Vanhu vemungundu vabenefitawo here pamunhu amapa contract iroro. The contract contracts enyu amuri kupanana ayaya. Itayoka kuti abenefitawo vamwe. Inangu ndoramba ndidzokera kune small scale miners because small scale miners akakwanisa kunzi aiwa no ngatipei vapfana anyone auya netigoridhe twake ngauya atengese kufidelity. Zimbabwe is the only country that does that right now. Goridhe redu nunzi aiwa enda unotengesa kufidelity osvika kufidelity wotengeserwa one good price watoenda kumba kwenyu wamunokwanisa kutenga ni 100. But matora contract rerye maripa mbada yemadzimbada muZimbabwe. Mbada no afford everything from zero to everything. He's not gonna hire anyone. You bring a lot of Chinese people. China no ya kushika kune munhu anowabikira tea. Anobva kuChina. Apa muri kuvaka pakagara Kambruzuma wati chichichi mfakosi watu vakagara ipapo. Muna vapfana vasina mabasa. Vekuti waraiti vana chikoro vapeika mabasa ekuti vanonotora zvidhina vachidai. But you are doing all of that. You bring new people, big people. It's only you. Hinda musiri kushare mari nevamwe imbopaiwoka vamwe. Even mababy chayo marare mukutora futi. You munodya ese mega akanaka achona ese ndenyu. Hinda musiri kupawa vapfana. Usocho mapfana vanenge vasvika pakutukirwa mubhawa kutukonza ipfeke bvape. Ndokunyudza ndokuurayiwo. Izvo zvindofonera mbadi izvo zvindofonera mukuru izvo. Mukuru anoswera auya panapo karohwa. Why? My companies ana better brands ana skota. Toraiwo zvapfana zvisina nhingirikini zvitengetengewo zvichididi ikoko nchizvipa muchizvibatsira. Hakuna unopa vanhu change. You cannot give people rice. Guys, you cannot give people buckets, water buckets. No, you can't do that. If Angel is bringing 300 million in Zimbabwe and a position that's how far, because honestly I will tell you this is the truth. If you fire Angel, it does not do anything to the guy. He won't be affected. That guy is a hustler. Ishangwiti yekutsvaga bag yeye blazi yakaipa nyadzi kutsvaga bag ishangwiti enda ana kutanga muZimbabwe chete. All of those people that are on that documentary mishangwiti dzekutsvaga bag dziya imbada dzidzi. We have people okay said my manje mira invite inobatidza my manje neyakumana. But guys, listen to me. I think mukundiona still you see me magetsa nobaka my manje. Point anyway life yakutopera ozvayo ikapera apa yapera neti magetsa aenda. But listen to me guys, I want you to get this. These are one of the most important things that we need to focus on. Guys, one, if people are doing all these businesses that they are doing, let them also help the people that are in Zimbabwe. The people that are in Zimbabwe are suffering. We have a lot of people doing this and that. My project is not benefit okavana. Musango manya ngoudzwa nevanhu no aye mudzinge basa chichi kablas guy kana basa nebasa reri. He does not give a fuck about that job because he is not getting a salary from that job. He gets paid from his materials or this zokuti uyaine mari muZimbabwe uyamuvake uyamutenge stand rakati uyamuite so uyaine mari yoyoyo mukaine mari yo chazodai so although vanozotora zvavo nekudii yakawanda yacho but we won't see it. But kana uri kumfakosi, you need a job. That job kana mauya nemadhiri enyu aya itaiwoka vanhu vabenefitewoka mumadhiri enyu aya. Hinda muri kudya yese mega maya mukati wani munhu anotenga 3 maRolls Royce amana. Minister anouya nechikopokopo driver chikopokopo chake chinene chomumareserve oende nechikopokopo chake amana. Aiwa kanitaisa kani no man, no, this is not what we are saying. But anyway guys, we have people that are bringing money in the country. Ndakanatsoteerera mushemushe padocumentary ye zvakanzi Radland anokuretesa Fidelity mari. Radland akweretesa Fidelity 250 million. 250 million, Fidelity is going to use that 250 million to buy gold from small-scale miners. That money is going to small-scale miners. Small-scale miners, it's us people. Those people are receiving that 250 million from Radland through Fidelity. Don't you think they're actually, I wouldn't know about this Radland guy, but I really think he's bringing money in the country. If he is giving Fidelity money, he's actually doing something that we need. Because if Fidelity has no money to buy gold from small-scale miners, how are the small-scale miners going to benefit? We need Radland's money. Let him bring the money. Let him bring the money. I don't understand when somebody says, inini ndinogara kumabvuku Maria Radland anomboiona. Uda kuti uye padeni pako Maria Radland. Ushwashwa yozosiwa padeni pako iwo. Maria Radland. Andi Maria Radland ndiye kutenga gold. Ikapiwa Fidelity, vanhu vanotengesa gold ku Fidelity, vari kupiwa mari iyoyo. And so guys, I'm ending the live, but we need to focus on these things. We need to analyze these things. I've given you a homework. Go and research. Let's research. Do we really care if Angel gets fired? Because even when he's on a job, we don't see anything. And I'm calling out the opposition party. Guys, you cannot write on this documentary. Mama manyana documentary. Mese mama manyana documentary. What else? You don't have anything else. You honestly don't have anything else. You can't think of something else to campaign with. After the documentary, then what? The documentary is not going to win you election, you dunderheads. Come back and tell us exactly what have you seen on the documentary. How are you going to improve the issues? If you see that money is being laundered through Zimbabwe, tell us. No. If you see that Angel is bringing 300 million and is taking 299 and leaving $1 in Zimbabwe, tell us, what are your policies? You're just quiet. You are writing on this documentary. After this documentary, what is it? After what, then what? After what, then what? After this documentary, chapera man laundering. It does not do anything. He does not fire Angel. He does not, or maybe he fires Angel. He fires all these people. Then what? What are we going to do? You cannot promise people the future. Don't just promise people nonsense. Promise people the future. Promise people proper things. Don't just come to people and tell them, documentary. Since when has CC tried to help ZANU-PF? If you push for ZANU-PF to fire a Uebert Angel, you are helping ED. You're not supposed to be helping ED, isn't it? Isn't you are the opposition party? If ED is in shady people, nonsensical people, hustlers, and Uebert, you're not supposed to be helping him. Leave him. You focus on your own policies. More promise on my own policies. Mota yoga is just gonna jam Simba. Tia visa and Nesa Fana Uebert Angel to visa and Wakati. Was it taking up quite things and go to at need there and Uebert to go to my investors. At need there. It's nonsense. To me, even if I'm an opposition party leader, I cannot ride on this documentary forever. You need to promise people proper things. You can't just come and say rubbish, say, I no, documentary. Right now, you are waiting for Al Jazeera. People who do not live in Zimbabwe, you want them to come and give you issues that are happening in Zimbabwe. Recently, we found out that documentary was being researched by Simba Chikans. A gay guy in England there. He has never set foot in Zimbabwe for the past 20 years. That guy is the one who's researching. Koyo airport yacho ngaimboitoka proper things. Vanhu vanoenda makamera paairport pepa makambondisungira kuti yena ongone passport isiri yako. Apa ndakakuudzai futi ndanhonga passport isiri, ndakafanana nevapfana vangu. Ndanhonga isiriyo. Makandisunga, mandisungira passport iyo. Paairport ipapo parikuya makamera nechine mamiliyoni negoridhe nechi vanhu varungopinda. Asi inini makandisungira passport. Muri mpoko dzevanhu imimi vanhu imimi. Makadhakwa stereki. Muri mpoko dzevanhu imimi. Muri mazungairwa imimi vanhu imimi. Ndatozofunga mushe. Shotwa vanhu vanopinda paairport papa yapinda nemari aenda nenhingi aenda nenhingi. Munhu ari kubva kuMozambique kwauya nebhutsu 4 pairs. Ndiye wamunomisa vhura bhegi rako, vhura bhegi rako tirione. 4 pairs debhutsu. Ndodzamunokuti vhura bhegi rako, open your bag, open your bag, want to see what you are carrying. What you are carrying kuita sei? What you are carrying kuita sei? Muri mazungairwa evanhu stereki imimi. Brand shit wenyu man. How can you short nanatofunga unozama kuti I stayed muningirikini mu central pa Harare. Ndakatosungwa inini pa central apa. Ndikatotakurwa nema-CIO. Akatoyazonditora ma-CIO uta. Ndikawaudza zvakanaka ndanhonga passport isiri apa. Nini wapfanha wangu takafanana nazisingaiti. Yangu passport iri kokumba veduwe. Ndanhonga vakabva vatotora futi passport yemupfanha wangu. Handazomboiona. Ndikatonomira pamberi pajaji nini. Zvikanzi ye-first offender yechichinywe. Pasame airport ipapo ndo pari kupinda munhu ne50 million. Hamusi kumbata iye. Tsika nesu auya ne3 kgs dzesugar. Tsika nesu auya ne3 kgs dzesugar. Apo noza passport yachona havana kanotombozviona. Ndandakafanana nemupfanha wangu ndakatogara kuseri kwekwe. Zimra yakastempa everyone ndikacheka ini zvese everything. Ndatogara kuseri kwe ndamirira ndege. Ameno umwe musiyayo akatotipawo zvake nemumwe munhu kunze onzi pane mupfanha ane mari apinda ipapapo mubatei mumusungi. Ndobva vatondisunga apa mari yacho yandandinayo 15,000 rands. 15,000 ndiyo akandisungira iyoyo. Ndakazobuda muZimbabwe ne1.5. Asi kune mumwe akabuda imomo muZimbabwe imomo ne20 kgs dzegoridhe. Makazungaira stereki imi. Then mamazura mhanya kuti atora diplomatic passport. Kapassport kaika akambobatsire Angel kaika. Ngamuchaona ngakatorwa kapassport. Akablaze you won't be bothered. Andibona izvo zvachisati chambokukomenterai. Chizi zvachona chakagara chakatozvitemba. But chihasla. You won't even benefit. Imagine he's not getting paid for this job. And you are expecting him to be bothered. Kuti anomubvise he's a diplomat. He's a British citizen. You come into Zimbabwe there. Zvekuti anzi munosecha bhegi rake. Munongonze ndera Angel. Nyanga asisina futi diplomatic yacho. Muri mazungairwa imi. Anyway, it's fine. Tichaita part 2 yelive. Magetsi anadzodzoka pati kuzoti sei magetsi asati auya. Izvezvi ne-inverter yacho inotobaka. Yakamirira inini futi ndinobaka. Moziya mukadzi wangu isoft baby. Habate zvinhu zvemagetsi izvi. Heavy aya. But anyway, ibo tobatana mina ndibogadzirisa masini emudheni mangu. Zvenyu izvi tozozviona izvi.
I'm sure guys you have heard what the leader of youth had said. Handizivi kuti munoti kudini nazvo, asi please comment down below motiudza kuti ari kutaura chokwadi here El Gringo. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Please support us.